I've just arrived from New York. The flight, it wasn't a bad flight. At first there was this kid just crying, but then that kid stopped crying, and then there's another kid behind of me. He didn't sleep at all, and he was like kicking up my chair. But the way I was tired, I slept like all the journey, which was good. So now I'm feeling like rested because I kind of slept on London time. So once the plane start drive off, like maybe like after 5, 6, I think, I was like fast asleep them time. I need to unpack this suitcase, probably throw some things in the laundry, and I need to repack with the stuff them here for my flight to Dubai. Tonight I'm probably gonna leave out maybe like after 5. If I leave out 5, mega reach but after 6. I'm gonna see what time I must leave out, but I don't want to leave out in a rush hour, so I'm gonna probably leave out a little bit early just to beat the rush hour in London because I can't bother with it. So I'm just gonna unpack, and I just decided that I'm gonna just vlog this part. This won't be the Dubai vlog. This will be just me like prepping and stuff. So unpacking, I have like a wax appointment today. I need to do waxing, and there's a few bits that I need to get. I need to get like sun cream and just like mousse for my hair. I had such a great trip in New York. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the New York vlog because it's more likely gonna be posted before this one. I'm trying to look for the extension for my camera. I don't think I'm gonna bring this bag. I think I'm gonna bring like a lighter bag, like for hand luggage, because I brought this one with me. I got this one I got it in Italy, but I can't remember where in Italy. I think it was in Rome. I think I got this in Rome. I'm not taking my laptop with me because I didn't really use it in New York, and I'm definitely not gonna be using it in Dubai. I only transfer like my files and stuff, but I'm gonna bring like a empty memory card with me so I can vlog like the whole trip, so I don't need to carry the laptop with me. I'm probably just gonna bring like a crossbody bag so I'm like hands-free in the airport. Maybe something that I can fit you guys in. Yeah, once I can find something for fitting right now, we're good. One thing about me, I don't like carry stuff in my hand, and if I can be hands-free and feel free, that's what I'll always choose. Like crossbody bag, maybe a little tote over my shoulder with a little bit of stuff in it. That's just me. I don't like carry too much stuff with me. Otherwise it just no freedom. I'm not really a bag person like that, so yeah. I've already packed like my smaller suitcase, so it's just this big one I need to empty it with the New York stuff, and then put the things them in the Jesus. My makeup and stuff pack already. I think I'm gonna, so I bought the Huda Beauty. I don't know what I'm enough, so I buy the Huda Beauty thingy in New York. If you see like the little haul that I did in my New York vlog, then you guys will know I picked this up. So I bought this Huda Beauty setting powder, and when I took like a flash photo in it, I don't like how it made my face look. So I think I'm gonna have to just buy back my Laura Mercier. I don't know why I didn't know if I'm gonna pick up this, because I want to try something different, but I'm not really a fan. I don't know. I didn't really like how it looked, because even when I used it the first day, the second day I just borrowed my friend's Laura Mercier because I didn't like how this made my makeup look. So I think I'm gonna just buy another one in the airport, because I'm not too like the one. I'm not really like a fan, to be fair.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, easier tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.
My toenail kind of cracked like a little bit in like a weird place, so what I'm gonna do is make it even cut off. What I'm gonna do is kind of polish over it. Nothing about to show them it. I'm gonna polish over the white polish because my have shellac on my toe, so I'm gonna see if this can kind of cover up the crack. Actually it'll work. So I'm gonna put just one coat over it, and then I need to go shower because I have a waxing appointment at 11:45. So I need to shower and go down take the bus actually. Okay, this look good as new. Hopefully it no crack for me. When I come back it can do all the cracking it won't crack. But not for my holiday.
It's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh.
I'm dressed and ready to head out on the road now. For my walks and appointment. It's about 11:20. I should be able to get there in time because it's in my area, and then I'm just gonna pop to the shop real quick and just pick up like a few bits that I need. I have a list. It's not really that much stuff. It's just like sun cream and some other bits. I'll show you guys what I picked up once I'm back. The suitcase is still open on the ground. The toiletry bag is still open because I still need to put some stuff in there because I'm gonna get the toiletry bits. And once I get that, then I just close my suitcase. Once I'm back off the road, I'm gonna try and see if I can get some lunch as well because I'm super hungry. And then once I'm back, it's pretty much just chill until it's time to get back to the airport. So I'll just relax in bed a little bit, trying to get back the, you know, the energy. I need to drink some water as well because I'm gonna drink that much water today. Anyways, let me try and find where this place is actually, which bus beneath. I'm dressed and ready. I took like a nap. I think for like 1 hour or so. I'm dressed and ready to go to the airport. This is my airport outfit. I'm gonna leave out now. Let me show you guys quickly. You probably can't even see properly. I'll show you better in the mirror around there. Just gonna put on like my Crocs, the ones that I wore here. Just gonna throw them back on because they were super comfy. Show you the fit real quick. Oh, why is it so blue in here? I don't know why it's so blue, but anyways, this is the airport fit, and I'm about to just leave out right now, head to the airport. It's raining, which is so annoying. I'm gonna bring my jacket only because when we come back as well it might be cold, so I need to keep warm in this UK, you know. I'm just gonna put this one on. This is my denim jacket just to stay warm. And yeah, my friends are already there on the way. So should I just go without the jacket? But let me get my fire stick out then. Ordering fire stick, some food. What? What did you say? I'm learning. Fire stick. You even use a fire stick. Fire stick?
No, I wasn't looking at her because of that. I was looking at her because she's talking to the camera.
Oh.
I didn't mean fire stick. This recording is going to be long now. The edits are going to be long because everyone's just buffing at the back.
What's fire stick? Fire stick is a thing from Amazon.
She's looking for something. Is this anyone's?
Yeah, that's mine. The green tea, the peach green tea.
Stop. I think it's
yeah. Wait, I think this one is mine.
I think I left the sticks. Or is it the suitcase?
I got this sushi. It's like salmon, and then it's like katsu curry. And then what you get, Cheryl?
Sweet and sour chicken and katsu prawn.
And katsu prawn. The sweet and sour smell good. And then what you get, Zanella?
I got katsu like you. And then I got prawns.
Is that oh, okay. That looks good.
Avocado.
Oh, the fries. Grab them. Thank you. Yeah, these look so good. Oh wow. Yeah, these look so good.
Just that one.
Come, please have some because this is a lot of food. Wow.
You'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.